Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we will explore the Ishares Bitcoin Trust in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of December, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has identified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.66. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 61.64% since we initially recommended Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate 46 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.34% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a robust and upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of approximately 79.49% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 52.72% to 88.11%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it anticipates a change of about 44.29% over the upcoming year, with a possible return varying between negative 15.39% and 33.26%. This corresponds to a price range of between $51.38 and $80.93 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust includes the headline: Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price ended at $60.73 on Tuesday after gaining 0.85%. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price gained 0.85% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 17th of December, 2024, rising from $60.22 to $60.73. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if it takes a short pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.66% from a day low of $60.15 to a day high of $61.75. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 11.51% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 13 million shares, with a total of 49 million shares bought and sold for approximately $2.96 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence, which could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $61.75, and the lowest price was $22.02. Currently, the price is 1.65%, or $1.02, below the 52-week high of $61.75, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Bitcoin is gaining momentum, with prices recently exceeding $106,000. Some financial experts now portray it as the digital gold. Remarks from the chair of the Federal Reserve reinforce this perception. Investor Ray Dalio advocates for Bitcoin as a safeguard against a looming debt crisis, enhancing its appeal among institutional investors. The surge in Bitcoin's price coincides with a significant uptick in capital flows into exchange-traded funds, which welcomed $35 billion just last week. Notably, Bitcoin ETFs have now surpassed $100 billion in assets under management, reflecting growing confidence in this market. Companies like BlackRock, which have successfully captured market interest due to low fees, are driving this ETF success. In the short term, such bullish sentiment could lead to volatility in IBIT as traders respond to price movements and institutional interest. Long term, however, the rising popularity of Bitcoin, especially among larger investors, positions it well for sustained growth, positively impacting IBIT. This evolving landscape suggests that investors should watch for continued developments in Bitcoin and ETF engagements, as they could significantly sway market dynamics. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During corrections, support is expected at levels of $57.59 and $51.23. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, and so far, the ETF has risen by approximately 11%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Despite the price gains, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Close monitoring of the ETF is advised. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal 7 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 49 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 48 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 46 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $52.13, as well as $51.04. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund tests a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may decline to the next support level. In this case, the Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support just below today's level at $52.13. If this level gives way, the next support from accumulated volume will occur at $51.04 and $49.57. This exchange-traded fund experiences average movements throughout the day, and given the trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $1.60 between its high and low points, which is a change of 2.66%. For the past week, the fund has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.11%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the ETF could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust encounters its first support level at $52.13. If this support level holds, it could present an excellent entry point as we anticipate a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $58.91, which represents a decrease of 3%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 6 days ago. Is Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good buy? Ishares Bitcoin Trust presents several positive indicators and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the old adage goes, let the trend be your friend. Consequently, we consider it a favorable option at these present levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of December, we expect Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open up 14.7 cents and begin trading at $60.88. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.